Welcome to the course. I'm Puya and I'm so happy to see you here. So before we begin, before we go very deep into the course, let's just quickly talk about the course, have a quick introduction about what we are going to learn and what are the topics and so on. Okay, so in this course we are going to focus on two major topics. One of them is marketing and the other one is business. So the goal here, first of all, you can use this course, you can use this knowledge, these strategies to, for example, do marketing for your own company, or maybe you already have a marketing agency and you need more information. But the main goal here is for you to learn this stuff, create your own social media marketing agency, find clients, sign contract. Beside that, you will learn how to do marketing on different platforms, advertisement, a lot of powerful things, okay? And use this knowledge, do marketing for your clients and charge them. But it will take some time. You have to learn this stuff. The course is very big. You have to go through the course. You have to learn how to do marketing. You have to learn how you should contact clients, how you should sign a deal, how you should convince them to become your client, and so on. We're going to talk about all of these along the course. So quickly, let's have a look at the topics that we have inside the course. So these are the sections that we have inside the course, and as I mentioned it, we have business and marketing. Here, the first lecture is about business and the first primary steps that you have to take to register your business. Then we are going to learn Facebook advanced advertising strategies. Very powerful stuff here. I can say even some advanced marketers don't know about some of the strategies here. It's very powerful. Then we have finding your niche, which will help you to be active in a niche which is a best fit for you, right? It's very important and very effective on your success. Again, we are going to have build your agency part 2. It has 3 parts. And in part 2, for example, we are going to talk about the pricing packages and how you should build a website for your own agency and other companies for your clients. Then we have digital marketing mentality, advanced Instagram marketing, find clients for your agency, social media copywriting, get clients for your agency, mega email marketing with 2 platforms, MailChimp and GetResponse. It's a very interesting section here. Sales funnels, very powerful to make money using marketing, and so on. You see that we have a lot of different sections here, okay? And there's another thing that I want to tell you before we go to the next lecture, and that is not all the information inside the course is coming from me. During the past 6-7 months, I interviewed many successful marketers, many people who have a successful social media marketing agency. I gathered all of their information, all of those interviews into one place, plus my own knowledge and my own experience. I arranged them, put them into one course, one great course, very clean, very up to the point, practical steps to make it much easier for you to learn all this stuff. So what we have here inside the course is extremely valuable. Okay, so that was all for this lecture, for this introduction. And if you are ready, let's jump into the next lecture, which I have a surprise for you.